The harsh truth about side hustles, nobody tells you. Everyone online says, start a side hustle. But here's the thing they don't tell you. Most side hustles cost more time and energy than they're actually worth. Delivering groceries, you're burning gas. Selling crafts, you're stuck in production. And affiliate links that pay pennies, you're chasing crumbs. I know because I tried them. At 70, I was desperate, and all I found was more burnout. For those that don't know me and new, I'm Holly. Hi. A mom, grand, and great grandmother, and someone who realized that if I kept chasing side hustles, I'd never build actual freedom. What I discovered instead was a system designed for people like us, people who want results without sacrificing the little time we have left. Here's the difference. Side hustles equal endless grind. You're just trading time for tiny, tiny rewards. Digital assets equal freedom. Once built, they work for you 24/7. I switched from hustling for scraps to building something scalable. And the truth, one sale now can be $900. That's more than most side hustles pay in a week. So ask yourself, do you want to keep hustling for hours a day or build something that pays you while you rest and enjoy your life, travel, or spend quality time with your family? If you're ready to stop spinning your wheels, comment info and I'll send you exactly what I follow every day. A hustle pays bills. A system builds freedom. That's what we all want. And I'm here to help you every step of the way.